In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Pipedrive. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable product entry that your team can add to deals in just a click. This helps keep pricing consistent, speeds up quoting, and improves your reports. First, open Pipedrive and head to the products area from the left sidebar. This is your product catalog, where every item or service you sell will live. You'll see an overview of what's already there. And this is where new entries are created. Next, start a new product by selecting the plus button labeled product. This opens the product form. Think of it as the single source of truth for this item, so it's worth filling it out thoughtfully. Give your product a clear, searchable name. If your team uses internal identifiers, you can add a product code, but it's optional. Choose a category to keep your catalog organized. Solid categories make filters and reports far more useful later. If it makes sense for what you sell, enter a unit, such as piece, hour, seat, or license. Whatever best describes one billable unit. Then, set the billing frequency. One time is great for standalone purchases, while monthly or yearly works for subscriptions and retainers. Pick what matches how you actually charge customers. Now set the price. Enter the unit price as you want it to appear on quotes. Select the correct currency to avoid confusion, especially if you work across regions. If you need multiple prices, for example different tiers, regions, or packages, use the Add Price option to include them all in one product. Keeping variations here makes quoting faster and reduces manual edits later. There are a couple of optional fields that can save time. If you charge sales tax or VAT, add the tax percentage so it's calculated consistently. Then, adjust visibility to control who can see or use this product. Company-wide visibility is great for shared catalogs, while restricted visibility helps teams manage sensitive items or regional offerings. When everything looks good, save the product. You'll return to the catalog, where your new entry appears and is ready to use. If you spot something to improve, like refining the name, updating pricing, or adjusting visibility, you can reopen the product at any time and make edits. Clean, consistent product data today means faster, more accurate deals tomorrow. That's it. Your product is added and ready. Thanks for watching.